Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mac. Just want to let you know I'm going to open up Photoshop and I'm going to go to a file that used to be 8, of course. Now we got to go to 9, right? 2019. From there I'm going to save that as a PSD and I'm going to open up AfterEffects. And from there I'm going to import it in here. And here I used a new one. It says replace file. So I replaced the file with the new 19 and that's about it. I kept my keyframe set from last year, so I'm able to use the animated logo coming in, right, with my green I made in the background because I want to kick that out. So then I opened up and imported it into Premiere and I drag it onto the line, right, and you can see it comes in, it's all ready to go. And now I'm just going to use a color key and drag the color key onto it, and then from there I'll get the eyedropper, and that's the color I want to remove, right? So let's check that color tolerance. Oh, look at that, right? So we'll get in there and feather it and tweak it a little bit as much as we want. And so I just want to let you know that was Photoshop to AfterEffects to Premiere. All three playing nice. Play nice now. Bye-bye.